Hi, today we're going to install this Mustang Super Touring heated seat on a 2026 Street Glide Limited. We're very excited, so let's get started. All right, the first thing we're going to do is remove the stock seat. On this bike, the 2026 Street Glide Limited, it uses a T25 bit to remove that stock seat. All right, we're going to remove the stock seat. As you do, you'll notice we have the connection for the heated seat underneath. Pinch and pull, and you got your stock seat removed. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is insert this Y harness or install it into the accessory harness adapter. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so here's our harness adapter that we're going to open up. We just pull out the protective rubber covering and we slide the red tab side on top of this. All right, and then we slide the red tab in place to lock it, and we bring over the harness to this side here. All right, so now that we have that Y adapter installed, you can see we're going to plug our Mustang seat into the gray port just till it clicks. That's it. Now you'll see there's a new design on this seat. We have two tabs in the front of the seat. That's going to slide under the front bracket, and you align the rear. I say give it a little tug just to make sure everything's in. All right, now we're just going to reinstall the seat screw, and we'll be good to go to start the bike to test out the heating element. All right, the heated seat doesn't work until the bike is started. So let's go ahead and start the bike up. Turned on the ignition. All right, so far so good. Everything's coming on, and we're going to go ahead and give it a start. It's a little loud with the bike on, but as you can see, two error messages have come on the motorcycle. So that's indicating, according to Mustang, that it's looking for the original seat. Let's see what happens. Okay, you can see the lights are lighting up on the seat, so it's getting power. We're going to let that sit for a minute, and we'll see how hot the seat gets. All right, so the Mustang seat is installed. It looks great. I got the dark red stitching in the seat at no extra charge in order to match the bike, so I think that looks great. The seat got hot. Within about 2 minutes, you can start to feel the heat on the seat. One drawback, I got to say, I would give it 4 out of 5 stars just because I feel like the electrical engineer team could have came up with a way to get rid of those error lights on the dashboard. But I love Mustang seats. I've been using them since about 2001 on my Harleys. So we're ready to roll for this one. I definitely would recommend it. So thank you.